Tiferet Netzach. Yesterday was the 23rd day, and we've been talking the last couple of days that Netzach can be in one way Nitzchiyut, which means eternal, but Netzach can also be Nitzachon, victory and success. And today we're talking about the beauty of the competition, because we were talking about everything in this world is a competition, everything in this world is a game. But if you're following the classes every day, then it's easier to relate with the current class. If you're not following, it will be hard to follow what I'm saying. But we're talking about that everything in this world is a game, and there's always going to be a winner in the game. There's always going to be a loser in the game. That's how the game is. But nevertheless, the fact that there is a battle between the winner and the loser, that's where you see the beauty of the game. Can you imagine just one team showing up and the other team doesn't show up? So technically they won, right? But what was the action? I came all the way to see a game and the other team didn't show up. Has to be the competition. That's where the beauty of the competition of the game is revealed. Other than that, there's going to be one team, one set of fans, and the others don't show up. But nevertheless, the fact that there's a competition and there's backwards and forth, that's what reveals the beauty of the competition. Now, even though one is against the other, nevertheless, it's still, you see the beauty that one is, so to say, they need each other. I know some people, when they come to the game, they come here viciously to win. But I'm talking about when you have a good, what's called in Hebrew, ruach sportivit. You come and do it in the spirit of sports, of we're coming here to compete. So even though one is against the other, nevertheless, the fact that they need each other, that's the whole point of the game. That's where you see the beauty in the game. They need each other. So the beauty, the Tiferet here, is to beautify and to praise the other. That's the beauty of the competition. That's at the end of the competition, you still shake hands, you hug each other, and you finish it the right way. And from that idea of the game, that's where the beauty, the Tiferet, is being revealed. And I'm giving an example with sports because that's where most of the world will relate with. But take the idea and apply it now to any type of game, competition, relationship, and so forth.